Welcome back to my channel, The Versatiles, Innovation and We. So let's get started with our new video on a new topic. Like in GOT, winter is coming. Similarly, as soon as the new year comes, everybody start thinking, oh, what to do special on this Valentine. So here we are with 5 such gifts that will make your Valentine day special and memorable. So let's see. So as you know that there are so many customizable items available online all over the store. So that is a very good idea that you can go for a customizable item and it is really liked by everyone. So one we are going to have is this deck of playing cards. Yes, you can see this. We all love playing cards. Most of us, some of us really don't know how to play it, but I really like it, and my husband too, even my family. So this is the card, and this is a very useful gift that you can give to your partner. And this I bought from the website printonweb.in. I will link it in the description. Okay, so you can go and buy it from there. And the second thing that we are going to have, I think you like this one. Okay, so let's go to the second one. So the second one is also a customizable gift. There are a lot of options available. I would suggest you to go for this tabletop. So this is a tabletop, and this is a wooden tabletop. It is very durable, and here you can see that the photo that I have given, it is engraved in this wooden block, and it is really very smooth and very good, I would say. Then you can see the beautiful message that I have given them to print on this tabletop. It reads, I may not always be there with you, but I will always be there for you. So you can give your own messages, whatever you want to get it here. But I got this one very suitable for that moment, so I given this. So how is it? Nice. So you can go for it. Okay, I'll again in the description I'll link from where I have got it. So the next one is something that is handmade. Okay, so most of us are very creative, or we like giving the gifts that are handmade. And if something is handmade and you yourself have done that, so that is really lovely. So I'm going to show you the gifts. Okay, so first one, you can go for such thing. So I have made this from a scrapbook. Okay, so you can take a few printed sheets, and on these printed sheets you can make such card, that is 14 ways to tell you how much I love you. So this Valentine you can make this. This is very easy to make, and I think your partner will 100% like it. Okay, so I cut these sheets equally in size, and then I have punched it, and here I have put my earrings. Okay, so you can see it. So whatever you want to write in this, you can write, you can make it. Okay, I've made like you are amazing, and I've made one vase in this. Then we are perfect together. We are perfect match. So I've used a matchstick here. Then I'm lost without you. Then we just fit. So this is the puzzle here. Then you hold key to my heart. So I pasted one key here. This is a real key. Then you are just my type. Then your warm body plus 4 feet is equals to perfect snuggles. Then you complete me because you are perfect. So like this you can go for such type of a scrapbook. Okay, I think you have surely liked this also. Okay, moving on to our fourth gift that we can make is a Valentine's Day card, isn't it? So this is the card, such type of card you can make on this Valentine's Day for your Valentine. So you can mention the days in this, like the 7th Feb Rose Day. So I have pasted a rose which was gifted to me for the first time. So and then 8th Feb Propose Day. So here you can see I have pasted I love you, and it gives a 3D effect because I put one double-sided tape below this. You can mention the place where he has proposed you. You can attach a love letter to it. Then 9th Feb, the chocolate day. So I pasted the wrapper of the chocolate which was given to me. Then we will open it. Then is the 10th Feb, that is the teddy day. Then the 11th Feb is the promise day. You can mention the promises, but make sure whatever you write, you are going to do that. 12th Feb is a hug day. Okay. And then 13th Feb is the kiss day. So this is the overall Valentine's Day card. So such type of cards you can make for your Valentine, and I'm 100% sure whosoever you will definitely like this card. It will be really touching for them. Now our last idea that I'm going to show is a little crazy. Some of you might think it's really funny, or but for those who love each other, you will surely like it. So it's a really innovative thing. Chocolate box? No, it's definitely a chocolate box, but something else is inside it. Let's go and see. So these are not chocolates, these are chewing gum. Now you might be thinking, what the hell is this? So these chewing gums are special, really special for the one who is my special one, because he loves this center fish. Okay, so something else interesting in this is there in the center fish. Let's have a look. So something is written at the back of this. Something is written at the back of this. Want to show you? Can you read it? Okay, I'll tell you. It's written, I love you 1, I love you 2, I love you 3, I love you 4, I love you 5, I love you 6, and 20, 30, 100, 200, 1000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. more, and so much. So a bit crazy, I know, but mind me, take my words, your partner will like it. So you can go for anything, whatever he or she loves. If chocolate, so you can go for their favorite chocolate, and at the back of it, you can write a beautiful message or whatever you wish to, and you can pack it in a different way. So that will be a surprising element for them, and moreover, they will love those chocolates or the things they like it. Okay, so and then they can keep the wrappers like this wrapper. Nothing is inside, but still, your love will always keep the wrappers also with themselves. Okay, so I think you would have liked and loved all these 5 great ideas for this Valentine. And if you have liked these ideas, please, so please do give a like on the like button, and subscribe to my channel, and also share it. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. We'll meet again in my next video with a new idea. Bye bye, and a new topic.